Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can remove any background of any video. So I know a lot of you guys will be like, well, you have to use green screen. Now the reason of this video is if you don't have green screen, or if you don't need to use green screen. Now disclaimer, this technique only works if you're going to be using it for like memes and jokes on the internet. But if you're working on something serious like news or something that's going to be on TV or YouTube, whatever, you need to use green screen and you need to use proper professional techniques. Okay, this technique is great, but only for memes, for jokes. Okay, you guys, if you're working on a movie or something, you need a green screen. Now, first thing first, I have my video here of this lady dancing, and I have a video now here on the timeline. Now, the first thing you want to do, you see right here I have composition. And the first thing I'm going to do is double click on the layer. You may have noticed that I'm using Adobe After Effects because the roto brush works perfectly in After Effects. There is a roto brush in DaVinci Resolve. I haven't tried it yet because I only use Resolve for color grading. Now I'm going to double click here on the clip. Once you double click on the clip, a new layer or window will open under the name of layer. Now you go ahead, you come over here and you select a roto brush tool. And all you have to do is just drag over the subject to paint it like this. Okay, now you see those lines on top of the subject. That means that it's going to remove the subject from the background. Okay, finally, I just need to work a little bit on the hand. So maybe choose a smaller brush and then just add a little bit here. Here, it doesn't have to be perfect again, you know, because if it's for memes, so you can get away with imperfections. Now let's play the video a little bit. Okay, nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna shut up and wait. Now you can see as the video is playing, I'm tracking these edges to see if they still have the selection that I want. And here we have it. Now it's gonna take a little bit of time to process the rotoscoping. You just have to wait through it. And once it's done, it's gonna play smooth. Now if I go back to the main composition, you can see that it did a great of a job. Now here we have a problem. So we go back to layer and we fix this. Now this area is not selected. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it. Click on play. Okay, now of course you can stop frame by frame and adjust this. Now if you want to delete something, like here for example, there is a little bit of gap between the line and her t-shirt or her shirt, whatever. You can hold Alt and click on it so it's selected. Okay, see here, same thing, Alt and click. Anyway, now I chose this video on purpose because it has a lot of movement, but if the subject is in a still position, it's gonna be better and it will be easier and perfect. You know, you can get away with better results if the subject is standing still. Now let's go back to the main composition. Okay, looks good. Let's bring the clip, put it beneath here, and we can play. Of course, with more adjusting, color grading, you can make it look better, but you get the idea. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it on how to remove any subject from any background in Adobe After Effects using rotoscope brush. Okay, and I guess that's pretty much all. Now, if you want to learn more about video editing, logo design, or graphic design in general, you can click on the link in the description. Check my Skillshare profile. I have a lot of creative courses. And if it's your first time joining, you get 1 free month. Okay, 1 free month tryout to try my courses and every other course on the platform. And then if you like it, you can join. Thank you so much for watching and see you on next time.